So, hi, this is my third lecture of the second topic, and here we are going for rewriting the rows. So, when we parameter fill like val foo integer 0, it Scala will write private, it will create private, and this means same instance val underscore foo integer 0 and def foo colon integer foo, it will assign to foo, right? And a field or parameter field like var bar, here is var bar double, it will rewritten like private this var underscore bar double 00 and then bar double underscore bar, and same way here if you see here, then it will create bar d colon double and it will return units and underscore bar d. A modifier of the form bar bus dot bar equal to 1, Scala will rewrite bus dot bar underscore and calling for bar underscore is a modifier method which value after the value. Private this means that only instance can access the field, even inner class or composition object cannot access it. Every public, protected or private field in a Scala class get a private field. Accessor and modifier are generated to access those fields with the more permissive scope. Well, where and def say the same namespace, so must have a different name, so you not conflict into the private is our white. So here foo this value string is yo, definition yo, string hello, the great name string, and here I'm calling yo, so which would call, so this will give the error.